Hello friends, welcome to Quick Revision with Maddy. Today, top 30 GK quiz questions based on exam point of view இருந்து பார்க்கலாம். Biology subjectல 30 questions எடுத்திருக்கேன். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி kindly subscribe my channel. I hope this video உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். First question, which modifies sorts and packages protein and lipids for transport in cell? Option A, ribosome. Option B, endoplasmic reticulum. Option C, Golgi apparatus. Option D, mitochondria. And the answer is Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus வந்து often referred to as traffic police of the cell னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Next question move on ஆகலாம். Second question, which molecule acts as an energy currency in cells? A, ATP, B, ADP, C, NADH, D, pyruvic acid. The answer is ATP. ATP full form என்னன்னா adenosine triphosphate. It is the main energy currency of the cell. ஓகேங்களா? Next question போயிடலாம். Which helps in break down fatty acids and detoxify hydrogen peroxide? Options A, vacuoles, B, RNA, C, peroxisomes, D, lysosomes. The answer is peroxisomes. Peroxisomes வந்து membrane bounded organelles, most eukaryotic cellsல தான் இருக்கும். Fourth question, which part of human brain controls voluntary movements? Options A, midbrain, B, hypothalamus, C, cerebellum, D, cerebrum. And the answer is cerebrum. It is the largest part of human brain. Conscious thoughts and actionsலாம் handle பண்ணும். Fifth question, which organ produces bile to help break down fats? Options A, gallbladder, B, liver, C, stomach, D, intestine. And the answer is liver. Liver ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டான ஆர்கன் which performs various functions such as food digest பண்ணுறது, get rid of waste products. Sixth question, which organ regulates blood pressure by secreting renin? Options A, skin, B, eyes, C, kidney, D, pancreas. And the answer is kidney, which they help to remove waste products from the body, maintain balanced electrolyte levels, and regulate blood pressure level. 7th question. What type of joint is found in the shoulder? Options: A. Hinge joint, B. Ball and socket joint, C. Synovial joint, D. Pivot joint. And the answer is ball and socket joint. This joint comes under synovial joint. The ball and socket joint வந்து spheroidal joints னு சொல்லுவாங்க. 8th question. A visual representation of chromosomes in a cell. Options: A. Prototype, B. Cryptotype, C. Nanotype, D. Karyotype. And the answer is karyotype. Next question. Hemophilia or color blindness usually found on which of the chromosome? A. X chromosome, B. Y chromosome, C. XX chromosome, D. XY chromosomes. And the answer is X chromosomes. Total number of chromosomes in human body வந்து 46. அல்ல 23 pairs இருக்கு. 10th question. Which one of the function to regulate gas exchange and water loss? Options: A. Leaf, B. Stomata, C. Xylem, D. Phloem. The answer is B. Stomata. Stomata are tiny openings. இது வந்து plant leavesலையும் இருக்கும், ஒரு சில stems-லையும் பார்க்கலாம் நம்ம. 11th question. Which helps to promote stem elongation, seed germination and flowering? Options: A. Ethylene, B. Cytokinin, C. Gibberellins, D. Acetic acid. The answer is gibberellins. இது வந்து ஒரு plant growth regulators. 12th question. Growth of a plant in response to light is known as. Options: A. Geotropism, B. Chemotropism, C. Autotropism, D. Phototropism. The answer is phototropism. இது வந்து growth of organism லைட்டுக்கு ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுற விதமாக இருக்கிறது தான் the term phototropism. Next, 13th question. Which biome has the highest biodiversity? Options: A. Tropical rainforest, B. Deciduous forest, C. Evergreen forest, D. Temperate forest. And the answer is tropical rainforest. இந்த ஃபாரஸ்ட்லாம் வார்ம் அண்ட் டென்ஸாக இருக்கும் அண்ட் வந்து எங்கே இருக்கும்னா 10 டிகிரி நார்த் அண்ட் சவுத் ஆஃப் தி ஈக்வேட்டரில் இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், வாட் இஸ் PCR abbreviation which is used for studying the amplifying DNA sequences? Options: A. Polymerase chain reaction, B. Paracardial resonance, C. Protein C receptor, D. None of these above. And the answer is option A, polymerase chain reaction. PCRன்றது ஒரு டெக்னிக் ஜெனட்டிக் இன்ஜினியரிங்கில் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, which amplifies a region of DNA. 15th question, which enzymes used to cut DNA at specified sites for gene manipulation in genetic engineering? Options: A. DNA ligases, B. restriction enzymes, C. DNA polymerase, D. topoisomerase. And the answer is option B, restriction enzymes. These enzymes which are used to cleave the DNA into fragments at specified recognized sites. Moving to next question, what is the powerhouse of the cell? Options: A. cytoplasm, B. Golgi apparatus, C. lysosome, D. mitochondria. And the answer is mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of the cell which produce ATP. 17th question, who is known as the father of modern genetics? Options: A. Gregor John Mendel, B. Carl Linnaeus, C. Joseph Dalton Hooker, D. Charles Darwin. And the answer is Gregor John Mendel. இவரை பற்றி நம்ம 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் படிச்சிருப்போம். இந்த பைசன் சட்டைவா பிளான்ட்டில் இந்த பேசிக் ஹெரிடிட்ரி பிரின்சிபல்ஸ்லாம் வச்சு எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் பண்ணியிருப்பார். ஓகே, நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின் போயிடலாம். Which blood group is known as the universal donor? And the options are A. O negative, B. O positive, C. B negative, D. B positive. And the answer is O negative. யூனிவர்சல் ரெசிபியன்ட் வந்து AB பாசிட்டிவ் இருக்கவங்க. ஓகே காய்ஸ், நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின் போயிடலாம். 19th question, which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Options: A. vitamin A, B. vitamin D, C. vitamin B, D. vitamin C. And the answer is option D, vitamin C. இது ஒரு water soluble vitamin which helps to forming collagen and tissue repairs. Moving on to next question. What is the largest organ in human body? Options are A. skin, B. Lungs, C. Liver, D. Intestine. And the answer is option A, skin. It is the largest organ in human body. Next question, what is the normal pH level of human blood? Options A 5 to 6, B 6.35 to 7.25, C 7.35 to 7.45, D none of these above. And the answer is option C, 7.35 to 7.45. Next question pola. What type of joint is found in the knee? And the options are A. Pivotal joint, B. Saddle joint, C. Gliding joint, D. Hinge joint. And the answer is option D, hinge joint. This joint is also called as Giclimus joint. 23rd question, what enzyme is responsible for breaking down starch in the mouth? Options A. Amylase, B. lipase, C. pepsin, D. lactase. And the answer is A. amylase. இது என்ன பண்ணுன்னா catalytic reaction நடத்தும் which converts starch into sugars. Next question, which hormones regulate blood sugar levels? And the options A. oxytocin, B. thyroxine, C. glycogen, D. insulin. And the answer is insulin. It is produced by the organ pancreas. Next, we move on to 25th question. What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? The options are A. midbrain, B. cerebellum, C. hindbrain, and D. cerebrum. And the answer is option B, cerebellum. It is also known as little brain. Next, we move on to 26th question. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Options A. incus, B. malleus, C. stapes, D. pisiform. And the answer is option C, stapes. and it is the smallest bone in the human body. Next, 27th question. Which organ detoxifies harmful substance in the body? Options: A. Kidney, B. Liver, C. Intestine, D. Pancreas. And the answer is option B, liver. Next, we move on to 28th question. What is the term for seedless plants like ferns? The options are A. Gymnosperms, B. Pteridophytes, C. Angiosperms, D. Bryophytes. And the answer is Pteridophytes. Pteridophytes cryptogams nu solvaanga. Next, 29th question. Which plant hormone is responsible for cell elongation? Options: A. Ethylene, B. Gibberellin, C. Cytokinin, D. Auxin. The answer is option D, auxin. Ethylene, gibberellin, auxinலாம் plant growth hormonesக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க tissue cultureல. Coming to last question. Who is the father of biology? Options are A. Aristotle, B. Charles Darwin, C. Theophrastus, D. Gregor Mendel. And the answer is option A, Aristotle. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed my video. So kindly like, share, comment and subscribe my video. Thank you all. Do support and stay connected with quick revision with Maddy. Thank you.